Okay, folks, here we go for our week 8 tutorial. I'm going to repurpose some of this into some shorter segments, create a playlist that you can go through to do all of tutorial 5, but also refer back to for some of the actions. To begin with, let's check some settings that we're going to need for importing and creating our workspace. We want to not import Solidworks history, not attempt to heal solids during import. Pretty much all we really need here is edge curves. That's what we want. Look at our planes and make sure our follow rules are set up. We want all of these checked. To select them, just select the one. So make sure that all of those are checked. Having done that, I can import the file simply by dragging and dropping right like that. Let's take a look at our solid. So one thing I want to do is make sure that I actually have wireframes on all corners. Easy way to do that. Select all wireframe entities. Now this solid has an extra special problem. You'll run into this sometimes, and I want to show you how to work around it. So let's select nothing, come in here, select all arc entities. Notice I just said select all arc entities, but these aren't showing up when I select it. The reason for that is they are splines. You'll notice that all of my circles are splines. I'm not going to go into exactly what a spline is now, but a spline is not a simple arc. It's a more complex curve. And that's going to cause us trouble later when we try and drill these holes, because the drilling toolpath isn't going to see those as circles that we can select the center of, because it's a more complex entity. So what we're going to do to clean that up is, with all those selected, I'm going to go to wireframe. I'm going to refit spline. Once again, that's wireframe, refit spline. I can come down here, simplify the spline. Notice what it says is convert circular shaped splines to closed arc entities. I'm going to delete the original spline, and I'm just going to make arcs out of them. Green checkbox. Notice it used my wireframe color to draw that on. And now, when I say select all arc entities, they're actual arcs that our toolpaths are going to be able to recognize when we select our drilling operation.